Welcome to day 2 of statistics. Let's move to mode of grouped data. So we have studied in the previous class as well. What is mode? It's that value among the observations which occurs most often. That is the value of observation having the maximum frequency. For example, एक class है. If a class, there are number of students. Mostly लोगों के कितने marks आए हैं? मे बी 85 आए हैं. मे बी सब्जेक्ट पर डिपेंड करता है, राइट? अगर सब्जेक्ट स्कोरिंग है तो बहुत लोगों के 85 आ गए हैं, बहुत लोगों के 90 आ गए, बहुत लोगों के 95 आ गए. सब्जेक्ट थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है तो मोस्टली लोगों के 70 के अराउंड आए हैं. वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू से. आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू हर्ट anyone's sentiments out here. So what is that? That's the mode. So it could also be that एक क्लास में 75 बहुत लोगों के आए हुए हैं और 85 भी बहुत लोगों के आए हैं. So then it will be multi-mode. But हम जो problems कर रहे हैं उसमें single mode ही करने वाले हैं. We are only going to do single mode. So for example, how do we do that? एक बहुत ही simple example, ठीक है? The wickets taken by a bowler in 10 cricket matches are like this: 2, 6, 4, 5, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. इसको देख के ही वैसे हमको समझ आ रहा है, कॉमा है बाय द वे, ठीक है? कितने कितने विकेट्स देख रहे हैं तो हमको दिख रहा है कि उसने 2 जो है ना बहुत बार लिया है. सो दिस वुड बी अ मोड देन इन सिंपल टर्म्स. दिस वुड बी अ मोड. नाउ इन दिस वी कैन सिंपली लुक एट इट एंड गेट टू नो, राइट? But if you want to write it like properly, so जैसे we can write it like this कि 0 है and 6 highest है इस player का, so we can write it in this manner. 0 उसका एक बार आया, 1 उसका एक बार आया, 2 उसका 3 बार आया, 3 उसका 2 बार आया, 4 उसका एक बार आया, 5 उसका एक बार आया, 6 उसका एक बार आया. So यहीं से देख के पता चल रहा है कि ये है ना? Now in a grouped, because we are finding mode of a grouped data. So how is that found out? The formula is पहले formula लिख देती हूँ. I'll write the formula and then I'm going to explain the formula. So first what we have to do is step 1, we have to locate the class which has maximum frequency. Okay, you have to locate the class which has maximum frequency. Then to that class we have to apply this formula. What is L? So for example, a class is 20 to 30. So L would be the lower limit of the class, which is 20 in this case. For example, ऐसा है, बहुत ही simple सा example देके I am using it. इसका ऐसा है कुछ. So we have to locate the class of maximum frequency. So we have located that. L would be 20, which is a lower limit of the modal class. So this class is known as modal class, which has the maximum frequency. Then what we do is, so this frequency is F1. उसके पहले वाले क्लास का फ्रीक्वेंसी F0 है और उसके बाद के क्लास का फ्रीक्वेंसी F2 है. It could be that आगे भी है 40 to 50, whatever. So what is F1? उसका खुद का फ्रीक्वेंसी F0, उसके पहले वाले क्लास का फ्रीक्वेंसी. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला एंड F2 इज उसके आगे वाले. H क्या है? डिफरेंस, राइट? H इज द साइज ऑफ द क्लास इंटरवल, which is in this case is 10. So mode would be this, right? Mode would be 20 plus 3 minus 1, which is 2, 2 into 3, which is 6, minus 1 into 10. बहुत ही गंदे तरीके से मैंने लिखा हुआ है, पर ये है नेट आपका मोड इस पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम्पल का. Now we are going to, as I told you in my introduction video also, I'm just taking one example which I took last time also, which is exercise 13.1 का 6th question को भी मैंने ले लिया है फिर से. So let's find out the class which has the highest frequency, right? Which is that this. उसके पहले वाले का फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या हो जाएगा? F0. ये F1 हो जाएगा और ये F2 हो जाएगा. What is L? 200. F1 minus F0. 2 into F1, 24. -5, -2, and what is the class? Size 50. So what will this be? 200 plus 7 divided by 24 minus 7 कितना होता है? 17 into 50. तो ये है, मैं इसको कैलकुलेट करके नहीं दिखा रही हूँ, पर ये है इसका मोड. Let's take more example and do this question where you can also verify the answers. Exercise 13.2 question number 2. ठीक है, मैं एक बार ये नोट डाउन कर देती हूँ, फिर we'll come back. Okay, so let's look at this question. So first, what is the first step? We have to find the mode, right? So what is the first step? We have to find out the modal class. So what is the modal class here? Where the maximum frequency is there, we can see it is this. Now look at this. So this will become, what will be F1? It will be 61. What will be F0? One class before, 52. What will be F2? 38. One class after. And what is the lower limit of this? 60. And what is the class interval size? 20. 80 minus 60, 20. So what is the mode? 60 plus 52, 61 minus 52, 2 into 61 minus 52 minus 38 into 20, which is what? 9 हो जाएगा ऊपर. 2 into 61, ये 52 है, ठीक है. 52 minus 38. What is 52 and 38 का plus? Minus 80 हो जाएगा. So 122 minus 80 will be 42, right? And into 20 भी है यहाँ पे. 42 है ना नीचे, 42 है, 9 है ऊपर और इधर 20 है. I'm very okay. So what is it? 60 plus 9 into 20 divided by 42. ये है आपका मोड. निकालना है तो let's take it out. 3s are 14s are 7s are 420 plus 30, 450 by 7, which is what? I don't know why my cursor is going all haywire here. I am also trying to open my answer so that मैं compare भी कर सकूँ कि सही किया है कि नहीं question, है ना? So what is this? 450 divided by 7, 6, 42, 30. कुछ तो गलत किया है क्योंकि आंसर कुछ गलत आ रहा है मेरा. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, नहीं हो सकता, नहीं हो सकता. Okay, I am checking what's the issue. Wait, okay kids, the issue was ये इधर ही issue आ गया. ये कैसे हुआ यार? ये 122 minus 52, 2 1 2 12. ये शायद मैंने इसमें गड़बड़ कर दिया. 52, this is not 80 but 90. तो यहाँ पे 122 minus 90 would be 32. So this would be 60 plus 9 divided by 32. ये है ना? मैंने इसमें क्या किया था? Into 20. Which will be what? 5 8s are, which would be what? 480 plus 45. 525 divided by 8, which would be 6 are 48, 45, 5 are 50, 6, 20, 2, 40, 5. So this is the mode. So that's the answer for this question. Let's do one more question. I'm just going to write it down and then we'll come back. Okay, we are looking at question number 5. This is one of the ones which I was talking about yesterday, day before yesterday, right? ये एक मैच है. Shows the number of runs scored by the some top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket matches. So number of batsmen who have scored between 3,000 to 4,000 runs, right, is 4. ये जो है ना यहाँ पे मैंने ये नहीं कि 5 to 6 है, this is thousands. I have not written so many times. So you have to find out. So this is the data of the existing current batsmen in the world and what are the total runs, right? So you have to find out that what is the number of runs that most batsmen have scored. That's what mode is, right? ये निकालना है. So सबसे पहले what do you have to do? Again, we have to find out the modal class, right? So what is the modal class here? We can see it as this. What is the, which is what? Which has the maximum frequency. So what is the so we call it F1, which is 18. A class पहले का 4, A class बाद का 9, H की वैल्यू है 1000, L की वैल्यू है 4000. So what is it? 4000 plus, let's make it another sheet. 4000 plus 18 minus 4, 2 into 18 minus 4 minus 9 into 1000. What is 18 minus 4? 14. 288 into 36. 36 minus 10, 11, 12, 13, right? So this is what? 23. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't. थोड़ा इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. 2000 बाहर ले जाते हैं, ठीक है. तो ये नंबर हो जाएगा 2 प्लस 7, 7/23. थोड़ा छोटा कर दिया ना बहुत बड़ा सा लग रहा था. 46 plus 7, 46 plus 7, 53. So 2000 into 53/23. कितना हुआ ये? It will be 4608.69 या 4608.7. So this is the run that most of the batsmen have scored. Let's do one more example just in case. Let's see if we should do it or not. Let's do it. Question number 6. मैं लिख लेती हूँ फिर आती हूँ. So this is question number 6 of your exercise 13.2. इसमें भी we have to find out the mode. तो सबसे पहला स्टेप क्या है? modal class निकालो, which is the class having the maximum frequency, which is we can see is this, right? ये 40 to 50 या 50 to 60 है, okay? ये मत समझना कि I've reduced this. So what is L? L is 40. What is F1? 20. What is F0? एक पहले का 12. What is F2? बाद का 11. What is H? 40 minus 10. So what is mode? 40 plus 20 minus 12, 8. 2 into 20, 40 minus 12 minus 11 into 10. 23. 40 minus 23 कितना होता है? 17 होता है यार. ये मुझे ना प्राइम नंबर से डिवीजन पसंद नहीं है यार. ठीक है, करेंगे अभी. क्या कोई फ़ायदा, मतलब वो नहीं है. 40 को कॉमन ले लो, थोड़ा इजी करने की कोशिश करेंगे. 2 divided by 17, right? Which is what? 40 into 19 divided by 17. What is 19 divided by 17? 1s are 2 0 1s are 3 0 1s are इतने सारे वंस के साथ होते हैं. 19 divided by 17 इतने सारे वंस होते हैं क्या? ओके, एक और कर लेते हैं. 20 minus 17 3s are नहीं, 1s are 2 0 1s are 3 0 1s are. So 30 minus 17 is 13. 130s are. So sevens are. So 4 sevens are 28, 4 ones 4 6, 4 और एक 0 भी है, इसलिए 44.68 हो जाएगा. 0 मैंने नहीं लिया ना, तो ये 0 है तो 44.68 है. बेसिकली ये है आंसर, 42.68. Hopefully you understood this part of the chapter, which is mode. We're going to cover median tomorrow and end this chapter.